In the vast tapestry of nature, many animals have evolved to live in groups, a strategy that offers a suite of benefits crucial for survival. Group living can provide enhanced protection against predators, as there is safety in numbers. It also aids in efficient foraging and resource acquisition, as well as offering opportunities for social learning and cooperation. In some species, living in groups is essential for maintaining body heat in cold environments, while in others, it facilitates complex mating rituals and rearing of young. This video delves into one of the most fascinating aspects of group behaviour, the formation of swarms. A swarm is a large group of animals moving together, often in a coordinated or synchronized manner. This phenomenon is primarily observed in species that exhibit collective behaviour, a type of social behaviour where individuals coordinate their actions to achieve a common goal or response. Swarming is a dynamic and often complex behaviour that transcends the abilities of the individual members, emerging as a collective intelligence. Let's look at some examples of swarming in nature. Insect swarms. Perhaps the most iconic examples of swarming are seen in insects. Honeybees swarm when a queen bee leaves the colony with a large group of worker bees to form a new hive. This is a critical part of their life cycle and ensures the propagation and genetic diversity of their species. Similarly, locusts are notorious for their swarming behaviour, which can have significant impacts on agriculture. Triggered by environmental cues, these swarms can travel vast distances, consuming virtually all vegetation in their path. Bird flocks. Murmurations of starlings are a breathtaking sight, where thousands of birds move in unison, creating fluid, shifting shapes in the sky. This behaviour is thought to be a defensive mechanism against predators and a way to keep warm during cold evenings. Fish schools. Schools of fish, such as sardines, form swarms that can contain millions of individuals. These swarms provide safety in numbers, reducing the likelihood of individual predation and aid in synchronized hunting and foraging. Why do animals swarm? The underlying reasons for swarming are as diverse as the species that exhibit this behaviour. In many cases, swarming is a survival strategy. For prey species, swarming can confuse predators, making it difficult for them to target a single individual. In the case of predatory species, swarming can be a highly effective hunting strategy. Swarming can also be a response to environmental conditions. For example, locusts swarm in response to specific humidity and temperature conditions that favour rapid breeding and growth of their populations. Similarly, the swarming of certain fish and birds is often associated with seasonal changes, indicating a migration behaviour. Understanding swarms involves looking at how individual animals behave and interact with each other. Researchers have found that the rules guiding these interactions are quite basic. Animals in a swarm align with their neighbours, avoid crashing into each other, and move towards a shared goal. Despite the simplicity of these rules, they result in the complex and organised movement seen in swarms. Thanks for learning, and I'll see you next time.
Don't forget to subscribe.